My name is Will Welch, and I'm a Key Account and Brand Development Manager with BWI. Today, I would like to talk with you about a new vendor of ours, SoilKit. Current market research indicates that 80% of homeowners are do-it-yourselfers in their yard, and that 70% of those are dissatisfied with the results that they're getting in their lawn or garden. Once they do seek the advice of a professional, usually the very first thing that person's going to ask for is the most recent soil test. Now, as anyone that has had a soil test done in their yard can tell you, the results that are given by the county extension agents or the state ag school might as well be in Latin for as much as they can tell the average homeowner. And this was one of the very first goals of SoilKit, was to put out a report that empowered the homeowner to be able to make their own decisions and treat their yard accordingly. Now, when a retailer sells their customer a SoilKit, not only have they generated an immediate sale, they have laid the foundation for future sales of nutrients, chemicals, fertilizers, sprayers, spreaders, etc. More importantly than that, they have vastly increased the odds of having a satisfied customer. And most importantly, they have positioned their business as the reason that customer is satisfied. SoilKit has 4 different SKUs set up through BWI to service the needs of the retailer or landscape contractor. They have individual soil kits packed in 12 to a case that are available for retail, and these include all the instructions on collection and registration. There's an all-inclusive kit, which is also packed 12, which includes the individual soil kit. It also has a stainless steel collection trowel. It includes a rain gauge and rubber gloves to protect the hands while getting the soil sample. Then there is the retail starter kit, which is a combination of both of these. It would have a half dozen of the all-inclusive kits and a half dozen of the basic kits. Then there is also a contractor kit, which is basically just a stripped down version of the individual kits that is used by the landscape professional for their clientele. All of the kits are prepaid with an envelope on the inside to mail the soil sample back to SoilKit for the results, so that there is no need for any further help from the retailer. But what many retailers are doing is using SoilKit as a means of increasing the end user's repeat business. Each report can be customized by SoilKit's marketing department to include the retailer's logo. It can include specific recommendations for products that they stock in their store. It can have coupons on it for services or for specific products. There's any number of ways that these reports can be customized specifically by the retailer. Many landscaper contractors are using these as a means to generate new customers. Some even offering this as a free service, whereby the contractor would receive the results from SoilKit, allowing them to be the conduit for that information to the homeowner. Speak with your BWI sales professional today about what SoilKit can do for your business.